Hi there, it's George here and a long time no see. In today's video I will have to show you update on my plants in my room. In February 2025 already, I rearranged my plants. As you can see in my bag, looks very beautiful. As you can see, the tall plants I put in the back and the smallest one in the top here. Well, they are doing really good now. Middle of February has gone and the plants give up, started to grow. That's it. On this side I have orchids, which looks great and in bloom. Some on this side banana plant. As you can see, it's beautiful. This is Musa Harris hybrid. Well, all are doing, some of them not very good, but most of them are doing really good. Let me show you update how they looks like. Well, let's start with this beautiful banana tree which I grew from seed, but this one I did grow from rhizomal baby banana plant, from that I grow from seed. And during inside it was grow a few leaves and started to grow another one, but is not seen yet. This one, it is not so big because it is a young banana plant, and next year will be up to the selling, but now so looks like not very thick on the pseudostem and it doing well. Next to this banana plant, it is a beautiful palm that growing indoor, and it is in bloom. I made video, but I will make another video when the flowers will open. We'll see when. It is still going to bloom, and some spikes are behind this leaf, as you can see. It looking beautiful. The stem so looks like, have to repot, we'll see when, and maybe I will do a video. And because I don't have space, I put here a schefflera plant on top of a banana plant, because we plant lovers have a lot of plants and have no space for the plants. That's it. This one received from a friend about a year ago. It did not grow so much, but maybe need repotting. We'll see when I will do that. Next is this plant, and looking not so very good, growing slow. I had it in the past and I prune it, I put back in the pot with the roots, but growing kind of slow anyway. Here I have some aloe plant that I don't know the name, but looking okay. It was sprayed because against fungus and something like that, and I don't want to go sick any plant. That's it, I sprayed a lot of plants in my room. Well, next moving to the plants that growing under grow light, and starting with the sago palms that I grew from seed, and since then started to grow these leaves, but after that did not grow yet another leaves. We'll see when, maybe in March or April, Bottom of the leaves looking lush, as you can see. It is so small yet. Anyway, here I have some lemons that I propagated by cuttings, and they looks like green yet. Hope will grow soon. I will see when. New leaves, waiting for that. Here I have eucalyptus baby blue, and I have two pots, as you can see here. When I touch the leaves, my hands smelling. I really like to grow eucalyptus. I ordered a new variety from eBay and looking forward to arrive. We'll see when will arrive, and I will have another variety. Dwarf banana plant that I got from a friend. He said it's from Turkey, this one. And now looking forward to grow more, we'll see, and will grow beautiful and big in my care. Next are papayas, are beautiful, are doing okay. I have 3 of them. Last year, on this time, I had no one, because they are a little bit pretentious anyway, but in this year looking good, as you can see on the leaves, and growing new leaves. That is amazing. Here you can see the stem how looks like, a little bit thick than the last update. It was a few months ago, if I'm right. But here I have another banana plant, dwarf varieties that I have, and they look lush on the leaves. It comes in spring, slowly, and they wake up from dormancy. That's it. As you can see, this leaf was grow, looks lush. This one started to grow too. Amazing. And here I have a bamboo plant that I propagated. I put some rhizomes here in the ground and waiting for grow. They will start to grow almost, to wake up, and we'll see if they will grow in a few weeks. This one, as you can see, this stem is green. That is a good sign. Well, next I have some Scrumengera truncata, and this one is in bloom right now. As you can see, very beautiful flower in red color, and another one is here, and this one is not in bloom, but I grow it from lean seeds, and it was for the first time in bloom a few months ago, and we'll see when it will bloom, maybe next autumn. Here I have a dove pineapple that growing beautiful and makes fruit, but not comestible anyway, or it's like decorative. I will see when will grow more leaves, and I got from a friend this. But here I have golden pineapple, as you can see on the leaves how it looks like with this stuff, and we'll see when will grow more. Kinda slow growing anyway. Here I have pomegranate trees in winter time, are very green, and I grow them as a bonsai. Beautiful, and started to grow. As you can see this branch, how much it was grow. Amazing. Next are here some Washingtonia robusta palm trees. They're growing well here, but the pots are too small already. Have to repot soon, and I guess I will make a video. We'll see when. Behind these palm trees are the Eucalyptus deglupta, which remained only one, unfortunately, but what to do? It's kind of hard to grow these plants. I will take care and we'll see when we grow more. They have to repot and have to not to lose. Anyway, there they have a Monstera deliciosa plant, as you can see, with this new leaf. It was grow, and this one I grow for a friend, and some I will have to give. Anyway, let it grow more. And this plant is very beautiful, received from a friend. It was very small, now looking like it was grow a lot. Avocado tree that I germinated a few months ago. It was grow beautiful leaves. Have to repot. The avocado seed I got from my work. Anyway, jade tree, as you can see, not very good looking. I don't know why, but when I touch the leaves, they're like soft, or I don't know what that happening. Or I water it too much, but not sure. This plant, as you can see, beautiful, started to grow new leaves. I cut and started to grow back. Here I have another Thanksgiving cactus from Lynn, and so looks like with red color by the sunny. In summertime I grow it outside, that's it. But here I have another Washingtonia robusta that germinated. Randomly I found a seed and planted and germinated, so happy. Next are the Venus flytrap, and this door is not looking so good, but we'll see. I didn't water it at the time. This is the carnivore plant too, and this one looking healthy. The banana plant in the corner doing well and started to grow new leaf, as you can see. And I have another jade tree here. And this plant, what happened to the leaf I don't know, but I watered. It is okay. Waiting for new shoots. Next, let's see my lemon tree. This one have fruits in the past. This year no bloom, no any fruits, but it was grow leaves kind of large as you can see, and they looking lush, and we'll see when they will bloom. I don't know, but so looks like. On this branch looking good too. It doing well. Next to the lemon tree, it is my olive tree, and I noticed fall a lot of leaves in winter time. I don't know, maybe it doesn't like inside in winter time, or they losing the leaves in winter time, a lot of leaves, as you can see here. But anyway, in springtime will grow new leaves. My coffee tree. This is the young one. The coffee tree that is old. It is in another room. Have a few coffee beans on it, but this one never bloom yet. Maybe in spring for the first time will bloom. We'll see when. That's it. Here I have epiphyllum that I grew from seed, from lean seeds too. It was grow leaves like more large, but not in 2 days. But some leaves still growing small, and yeah, we'll see when will bloom. Maybe in springtime this year, I don't know, but yeah. Well, here is my mango tree. It was grow new leaves here and here and here, and quite long. I don't know why these spots here are, but mango looks anyway beautiful. As you can see on the stem, looks good, thick already. Next I have this Monstera deliciosa. This is more big plant that I did show you, that first one, and it was grow a new leaf, but I don't know what happened on the top here. Well, it's doing well, but I wait for another leaf to grow. We'll see when. Now it's time for show you orchids, and they are in bloom and looks very beautiful. All of them are phalaenopsis, and this one, which if you remember a couple of years ago I found it, throw away, I saved, now blooming every year. That's beautiful, very beautiful color. And this is that orchid. And this one, as you can see here, it has such flower, amazing too. This one with pink color, it is this, and the white color, it is in this big pot. They are doing okay all. They growing on the windowsill in this winter time. And a cacti here I have that is quite hard already. It was grow a lot, growing slowly, but I have a couple of years. This cactus, it's like an opuntia. I'm not sure what variety concrete, but anyway. Here another plant that I have, it is anthurium, and it is in bloom right now. 2 flowers, and as you can see in red, like very beautiful, and another one is here. The leaves are not very big. Not know this happened to this plant, some dry leaves on the edges, I don't know, but anyway, let it grow. That's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova, and I will catch you next time in another video with my beautiful plants. Bye bye.